From fretDrills.com, clicking the Apps button brings you to the interactive table of contents. Scrolling down, you will see that the first chapter is for memorizing the notes on the guitar fretboard. The first section is called The Essentials because it consists of the sections of the neck that you absolutely have to have memorized like the back of your hand, the E and A strings and the open string notes. Let's go ahead and click on the very first lesson page. Here, it indicates that this is the lesson page for the notes of the E string A minor pentatonic, and it is visually represented on the fretboard. Before we forget, let's bookmark this page and set the repeat interval to 1D to repeat every day. Let's use the forward button to sequence through the next couple of lessons to see how this one fits in. After this, we add the rest of the A minor natural notes. Then complete the string with the chromatic notes. Then the sequence repeats for the A string. Then, the Essentials chapter finishes with the notes of the open strings. Let's get back to our original lesson page.